Hi everyone! Today, I'm sharing this purple iris nail art set. In this video, I'll walk you through two of the designs step by step. Alright, let's start with a layer of base gel. Choose a light purple painting gel from the colors you already have. Use a sponge to dab it onto the center of the nail. Blend it out softly toward the edges. Next, pick up some dark purple painting gel. Again, start in the center of the nail, keep the center deeper, and fade the color out toward the edges. Apply a layer of builder gel to protect the work we've done so far. Take some 3D sculpting gel. Before we start making the petals, I want to show you a really useful sculpting tool. This is a dual-ended sculpting tool. One end has a metal tip for pressing the gel and adjusting its thickness and size. The other end has a silicone tip for refining the details. With both tools combined into one, it makes sculpting 3D petals like this so much easier. Let me show you how to use it. First, use the metal tip to press the sculpting gel into a flat piece. Adjust the thickness until it starts to look like a petal. Keep pressing and rolling the tool across the center and both sides to create natural curves. Then place the shaped petal onto the nail. Press it down lightly with the silicone tip to secure it. Keep gently shaping the edges to add more detail. Iris petals have a very distinctive shape. Their long petals curl slightly along both sides, so let's shape ours that way too. Now make another petal that's a little longer. Once the ends of the longer petal are secured, use the silicone tip to gently lift the center. This arches the middle of the petal upward and gives the whole iris more dimension. Continue in the same way to make 3 more petals in different sizes on the nail. Just like this. Make sure the sides of the petals aren't too smooth or even. Once the petals have been cured, we can start adding some color. First, sponge a soft pinkish purple painting gel onto the upper middle area of the petals as the base color. Blend the lower edge into a soft natural fade. Next, move on to the tips of the petals. To make this easier, use a nail art brush to dab some dark purple painting gel onto them first. Then blend it out little by little with a sponge. Now use the nail art brush to paint a few vertical veins down from the petal tips. Just drag through the dark purple gel that's already on the petals. There's no need to pick up any more painting gel. This keeps the details looking more natural. Then add a few tiny dark purple dots. Attach a pearl charm in the center of the flower. Apply a thin layer of top coat over the entire nail and the petals. Finally, use hard top coat to add water droplets to the petals and the nail. Flash cure each droplet as soon as you place it, and the purple iris nail is complete. It looks so lifelike, doesn't it? Now let's make a much simpler design to pair with the iris nail. Cover the entire nail with nude pink gel polish. Brush on a layer of milky white gel polish from the tip toward the middle of the nail. Blend it into a soft gradient through the center. Don't cure it yet. Dot some builder gel over the areas with the milky white gel. The dots will naturally form a water droplet effect. Apply the top coat with a leveling bead to smooth out the nail surface. Rub pinkish purple Aurora chrome powder over the entire nail. Finish with another layer of top coat, and this simple design is done.
Thank you so much for watching. I've been posting short videos every day lately, so my detailed long-form videos have been coming out a little more slowly.
I'll do my best to post long videos more often too. I hope you'll subscribe and stay tuned.